a set to unbox. New set, new unboxing. Before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to have all post notification on. Alright guys, so this is the luxury set. I found it in the market. Basically this gives us a recolor of these ways. They give us a random ways, not these ways, random spinning tops which they basically come with the attributes of stadium, stickers for the two tops, accessories to these random accessories, random parts come with extra, and the grip and the gyro launcher. These launcher come with. So today we'll be unboxing this whole set and we'll be testing out. Basically this set is not confirmed that you will get the original parts of the tops you get, but you will get random parts with them. So we'll just test them out and see how good this set is. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's start. Number one, the two ways. So the OG way I really like Excalius with from I think this is from Ragnarok the season 2, and this is a disc, I don't know. And this is Legends Prison recolor. These both are recolors of the original, and with this fuse stick something like that with metal, and this the same driver. So these two come with the same driver. There is the similarity, and the recolor is the similarity that they're recolored. The next thing is the launcher. Well, the launcher looks really cool. Look at this. This is a long string. You can do a hard launch with this as well. And this is a right spinning launcher. Next is this. This is basically a bubble wrap. Love bubble wrap. Let's bubble pop some things, bro. Nah, we'll be just like picking out these are the stickers. Not interesting right now. Even this is not. The next thing is the grip. Amazing grip. Now let me just bring out the second launcher. Okay guys, so this is the second launcher. This is the small launcher. This is the big launcher. The difference is in the string and the size. You can see. Well, these do look cool. They are both right spin launcher. This can also do a left spin launch. I can't confirm that. We will confirm that later. Now let me just see the accessory. So the accessory is this cool part that we can attach with this way. Attach it right there. Let me just show you. Let me just set all things up and then I will. Okay, so now let me just get the part. Here is the part. This is basically a attachment for the disc. This is a good attachment. These basically are the wings for the disc. This basically is like a disc, but like an attachment. Let me just attach this. You can attach it in these four. These are two holes for which you can attach each for a different way. So for example, you can attach them like this. You can attach me further or back. It's your choice. So let me just start this. This is gonna be a little bit hard because the holes, I don't know how they could be, but we'll just try. Also I got two extra bays like these one. I will show you in time once I find them. So here's how it looks. This is full blue. This is actually cool. Now let's just put this way together. This is how it looks. Cool, huh? It's amazing. So the next agenda on our bays are done, our launchers are done, our grip is also done. This is the grip. I forgot to show the grip. The grip is amazing. You can actually attach this launcher to the grip. I just don't want to show it because that might be boring. So well, just I'm not a type of grip guy. I'm just a launcher type of guy. So not. So now let's get to the stadium. Alright guys, so this is the stadium. This is basically the loading out stadium. It is a slope. These upper slopes and the down slope. This is the middle part, and this is the outer part. You can move. There is a loading out. That means you can have loading out. There's either a burst finish or a stamina finish. These two are beside us in the stadium. So this is kind of amazing. I really like this. That there is no ring out, because ring out actually makes the pedal short and they actually are boring. So I think the stadium like this is amazing. So definitely recommend it. if you want to, or you can get the other stadium with the ring out, so it will be a better chance of you winning. But this is also amazing. I also like the old stadium. You can also block the ring outs there as well, and this is amazing as well. But definitely I think recommend the ring out stadium that has a holes, and also recommend the stadium, both of the stadium. It's your choice, I'm not pushing you. So this is an amazing stadium with the yellow color, and there's enough space for a bear to move. But I think the space is too less for the bear to move, because it doesn't have enough space to move, and they only move then once they start to lose stamina, they will just come in the center. So this is a really small stadium. If it was bigger, I would have it would be really cool, but not right now. So now let's do some battles. Okay guys, so this will be round 1. I'll be using pistol launcher, the long springle. So this will be the altogether I will do 3 battles. That's an Exterius fan as well. So Exterius busted Spryzen, that is 2-0. I think I will do first to 6 points, okay? So that will be fair. So the score is 2-0. It is in the little. Let's see if we can come back. I'll the 10 minutes not it does hit hard. Oh, Spryzen is not making that much, giving that much attack. Even with the 10 minutes not can't defending an Exterius, because Exterius is a vigorous play. That means a hard attack, and it has no mercy, just attacks. Another attack finish. No clicks this time. Well, one attack hit KO. Wow, that's amazing. Let me just do 2 more battles for the sake of Spryzen. Nice. Wow, X is ready, not giving any more chance for Spryzen to make a comeback. Alright guys, so in the next video I may bring 2 surprise way like these ones. Just do one nice battle to finish everything off. 1, 3, 2. That was Spryzen. I know you guys don't know battles, but basically hardly total I think were 3 battles, and out of 3 battles Exterius got first finish in each battle. So the next video will be Spryzen Requiem versus this Exterius. The remake of Spryzen Requiem will show you in the next video, and even the remake of Nightmare Longinus. These are basically the remakes. I found it in the store. 3 of these remakes I have, only 2 more. These are the other 2 I just bought. So in total I have 4 remakes. I will show you in the next video the 2 other remakes and do a battle with these remakes. So there will be a few battles that are gonna be coming up and will be amazing. So make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to have that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And always guys, have fun.